Magandang araw sa lahat, welcome po ulit dito sa atin channel ang Biyahe y Komida. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng nag-subscribe, indeed. Punta tayo sa atin topic, May 28, 2025. Princess Panzalan, nagpapasalamat sa pribilehiyo na naging isang nurse. Ang pagiging nurse ay isang tungkulin na kailangan ng malasakit at katatagan. Hindi matatawaran ang kasiyahang nararamdaman ng semi-retired actress na si Princess Panzalan sa naging takbo ng buhay niya sa Amerika. Matagal nang ganap na registered nurse sa US si Princess. Sa pamamagitan ng Instagram nitong May 25, 2025, ibinahagi ni Princess ang saloobin kaugnay ng propesyon niya ngayon sa Amerika. Ayon sa aktres, na nakilala sa kanyang kontrabida roles, ang pagiging nurse ay isang calling na nangangailangan ng compassion, resilience, and an unwavering dedication para sa kapakanan ng kapwa-tao. Sa bawat araw raw na lumilipas ay may mga pagsubok at oportunidad na kaakibat para makapagbigay ng serbisyo sa iba. Saad niya, nursing is a calling that demands compassion, resilience, and an unwavering dedication to the well-being of others. Each day presents unique challenges and opportunities to make a meaningful difference in the lives of patients and their families. Malawak din daw ang sakop ng pagiging isang nurse, mula sa pagbibigay ng gamot, pagbabantay ng vital signs, hanggang sa pagbibigay ng emosyonal na suporta sa mga pasyente. From administering medication and monitoring vital signs to providing emotional support and comfort, the scope of nursing is vast and varied. We often find ourselves in the midst of critical moments, offering a steady hand and a kind word. It is in these moments that the true essence of nursing shines through, reminding us of the impact we have on the lives we touch. Sa paglipas ng panahon ng pagtatrabaho bilang nurse, napagtanto raw ni Princess na isang pribilehiyo ang kanyang propesyon dahil tumatanda siyang may nararamdamang deep sense of fulfillment and purpose. Ani Princess, I am incredibly grateful for the privilege of being a nurse. It is a role that has allowed me to grow both personally and professionally, fostering a deep sense of fulfillment and purpose. The ability to advocate for patients, collaborate with a team of dedicated healthcare professionals, and continuously learn and adapt is something I cherish every day. Sa comment section ng kanyang post, marami ang pumuri kay Princess sa kanyang dedikasyon bilang nurse. Ayon sa kanila, "That's true, I work in healthcare world, it needs a lot of hard work, dedication and compassion to the people you give care. And I love what I am doing." Ayon pa sa isa, "I really admire you, Miss Princess. In my 30s when I started my nursing career in the Philippines and I also work as nursing attendant in Siquijor. Life is so hard, especially dito pa sa Pinas, nag-aral ng nursing at the same time may work. I always watch your interviews and it really helps me to pursue the career that I always love."
Learn to widen your horizon. Huwag mag-dwell dun sa pain at saka difficulty na pinagdadaanan mo. Try to be grateful for what you do have. And surround yourself with people who are positive.
Ang huling acting role na ginampanan ni Princess ay ang crime drama TV series The Cleaning Lady noong September 2022. Bisitahin ang Instagram ni Miss Princess Panzalan at Real Princess Panzalan at i-follow ito. At yan ang atin latest showbiz chika update for today, huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe. Click the notification bell for more showbiz chika updates, like and share the video at suportahan po ang atin Facebook page. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng nag-subscribe. Indeed. Magandang buhay sa lahat, adios.